Good evening, we're here at KCM Clinic with Mr. Oliver. Hello Oliver, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. I've just had a flight here yesterday, all straightforward, picked up, nice hotel, and I spent the day here having various tests and meeting the surgeon and anaesthetist.
So you've spoke to the surgeon already?
Oh yeah, he seems a pleasant chap, and I don't mind if he isn't, if he does the job right, but he certainly answered all my questions and mentioned a few other potential snags and put my mind at rest about everything in general. Mm-hmm. I've got a worn out knee, so I'm going to get a total knee replacement, which I've had one on one knee already, and this one's 5 years ago. It's doing fine, but the waiting list in the UK has extended since I had that done. I've got Parkinson's disease, so there's my quality of life depends on me keeping fit and active, and so I decided to come over here and get it done, where it costs just probably just over half what it would cost in the UK.
Okay. So what's the waiting list in the UK at the moment?
Well, it's different in different hospital trusts, but in North Wales, where I'm from, I was told 96 weeks, which is best part of 2 years. So that's, I used to be an outdoor instructor. I keep fit by walking and being fairly active in the mountains. So that would be 2 summers out of my life. But I've increasingly been relying on friends to support me, and with the Parkinson's I walk more slowly anyway. So I'm less, I used to instruct and lead from the front, now I lead from the back. When I retired, I was still able to mountain walk, and we started a group called Thursday Walks. And every Thursday, we haven't missed a Thursday for about 6 years, even the one in between Christmas and New Year. Well, it'll take me a few months to get into mountain walking, but yes, I have every hope that my input into this walking group will go back to being able to lead. We did a beautiful walk, and as we got up, somebody said, "Hey, look at that," and there was the next mountain to us, sticking out of the cloud. And by the time we got up to the top, we were in looking over the sea, with mountains sticking out like islands. We had a great time, but on the way down, something happened, and my knee, which had been a bit painful, but usually better by the next day, was no better. Yes, this is moving my leg through 55 degrees now, which is more than I could contemplate this morning. And the physio was really nice, took a bit of time showing me warm-up exercises. It's bending my leg without me having to do the work. They must have these machines in the UK, but when I had my knee done 5 years ago, the other knee, I never had anything like this. And this has already got me bending my knee further than it did in the UK. I'm impressed with the clinic. 5 days after surgery. I can walk a couple of 100 meters. I had a knee done in the UK, and that was painful. And basically there's a lot of rummaging around in amongst some big muscles. Gets better and pain-free in 2 weeks or a month. It's a different type to what I've had. I'm not saying they don't exist, but whether you get it done in Poland or UK, there are other criteria, and obviously the price was in it for me.